Hi, my name is Carrie Jo, and today I'm going to show you how you can access your schedule in Infinite Campus. So to get started, we need to actually get to Infinite Campus. So you can do that on your phone or tablet using the Parent Portal app, or you can do it through a web browser. In this video, I'll show you how to do it through a web browser. Lots of things are going to look very similar on the Parent app. So to get started, I'm going to go here to the Parent and Family Hub. And then here, I'm just going to scroll and there's this resources and logins page. This is a helpful resource for families and students that may need help accessing some of our tools. So here we're going to look today at Infinite Campus. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And then once I do, I need to decide, am I logging in as a student or a parent? So today for this demo, I'll show you a student. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Campus Student. So the first thing that I need to do is enter a student's username. So your child's username is always their first name with a capital letter, and then it's the last four digits of their student ID. And then their password, this is something that they set, and so it's something that that they would enter in. And if they happen to forget it, they can just choose forgot their username, and they can reset it themselves. Then after that, I just choose login. So then once you log in, you're going to come to a screen that looks like this. So it always starts and you're at this tab here called Today. And so you'll see the day's date. You'll see the student, their student number, and the grade that they're in. This is a student that we've made up and added to the system. So no worries, I'm not sharing any data private information. So if we look over here on all of the tabs, the one that we're going to first look at today is the schedule. And so when we look at a schedule at our middle schools have 4 quarters. And so you'll see that the different quarters are listed here and you can just click on them to move through. But we're going to look at quarter 1. Most of our classes meet all year long. And so the schedule would likely be the same. But here we see quarter 1 starts September 14th and it ends on November 3rd. And then as I scroll through, you'll notice right here it says day 1. Many of our courses in our middle school are on a 2 or a 3-day rotation. So in this case, this would be the student's schedule for day 1. So Phy Ed, then accelerated math, science, advisory, and this is actually called homeroom, then lunch, then a class called Flex, social studies, the writing and language arts. And then all of our students are assigned a course called Team, which is just something that we use to organize our schedule. But then what you'll notice is that there's a day 2 schedule. And now instead of Phy Ed, this particular student, Stephen, has band, and then still accelerated math, science, homeroom, lunch, art, social studies, writing, and language arts. What you'll also notice here is that in 5th hour, Stephen has art, and 5th hour on day 1, he has a period called Flex. So that's how you can see a student's schedule in Infinite Campus. Now, if you were trying to access this through a parent account, it would be exactly the same. You would just be logging in as a parent.